Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're back with another vlog. A vlog is a video when I take you along on my day, when I have an interesting day. Today I'm gonna shoot a few small clips for Instagram, social media, Twitter, TikTok, whatever. Gonna shoot a few small clips, cool clips, so we can get featured on 7.3 OBS pages, so we can get more followers, more subscribers. My dog, it's my dog's birthday. He's one. I'm gonna put him in the video later on. And now it's morning. Now it's 9:25. So I'm gonna pick up some diapers for the baby, because you know what babies do, they eat a lot and poop a lot. So I'm gonna grab a case of diapers, then I'm gonna pick up Jerry, and hopefully it's too early for beers. And later on I'm gonna move my project truck. It's a Toyota Hilux with a Lexus 4.0 double overhead cam V8 in it, and it's still not finished. I need to do wiring, fuel, and I'll get deeper into that when I get to the truck. So let me take you on my day. I make sure you have fun, I have fun. Let's go. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys have been awesome. I am very, very, very close to the 1,000 subscribers goal for this year. We had 893 I saw this morning, so keep pressing that subscribe button and let's get to 1,000. So we're searching for a next spot to do some pictures or drive by, and I want to show you guys the back roads of Aruba.
Trees. Damn you, trees.
A tiger!
Just like Tiger King.
Down in the comment section if you want, in the next vlogging video, if you want to take a sightseeing tour around Aruba. I'll take you, I don't mind. I'll put about 25 gallons of gasoline, I mean diesel fuel, and I'll take you. You get to see the natural bridge, the Shiribana ruins, and everything. Maybe even I'll take the Jeep, so we can save this one at home. Okay, I just dropped Jerry at home. We actually got some great footage. You have to stick around to the end. I'm gonna put all the footage I got at the end of the video. I'm gonna use those footage to put on social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, whatever. I'll put the link down below. And I'm gonna pick up my daughter up from school, do some stuff, and then I'll be back later this day. Gonna pick up the project car, take it home, give you guys a walk around, say what are gonna be the plans. So stick around, boys. With the truck off. Jesus. Slight changes in the plan, boys. I could have not get a tow truck to tow my project car home this weekend, so that's gonna be for Monday morning. I'm gonna post that video around maybe Wednesday, so stick around for that. My project car coming home, and now I'm gonna continue working on my truck. I have to remove the blower thingy, see what's going on, what's making that noise in there, and then clean up under this garage. Jerry's here to help. Okay, I'm gonna go in the car, turn the blower on, and see if Jerry can hold on to dear life over there. Let's go. Jesus. Okay, it's a bit dirty in here. On my next episode next week, I'm gonna give this dash a real nice makeover, boys. Real nice. It deserves it. Get on. Jerry, ready?
Get it.
It's fine?
Yeah, she's fine.
Oh, she's
Bad.
really bad.
Vibration, a lot of vibration.
Ah, makes sense. I think the bearing's gone. That's bad. Yeah, I think the bearing's shot. Let's try and open it up. Okay, so we open up the tabs up, and now we're gonna try and pry open this. I mean, it's already a bad unit, so we cannot mess it up even more. If I can make or find the front bushing, it's got some service life in it yet. But let's look. Let's open it up. It's a very simple unit. You got the brush, the stator, and this. And in the front, you have a bad bushing. Okay, boys. So this is the problem. This goes into the front, right, like this, and it's wobbling. This one goes in the back. And it's crisp as the day it was born, like perfect. So now we need to make or find something like this. Wish us luck, because I don't know where we're gonna find this. I have no idea. Yep, you're
Jezza.
That's my dog. It's his birthday today. Anyway, boys, thank you for watching for today's video, and we tried to fix the blower of my truck, but it's really gone, and we need a new bushing, and that stuff is really expensive. The guy told me it's more expensive to fix the bushing than the new blower. So if you remember, a few videos ago we went over there somewhere and we got some free parts of a few trucks. There's so many cars today. Alright, And I'm gonna try and call the guy. See, I'm gonna try and call the guy. See if we can get some blower parts and stuff into my truck. Because the blower is gone. It's really gone. It's really bad. We need a new blower or a used blower because we don't have money for a new blower. We're gonna call the guy. Sir, can we come pick up the trash blower in your yard? Yes sir, you can. Okay, we're coming over. So I'm waiting for that call. And now I'm gonna show you all the videos we shot earlier today. These are a few social media shots, like I said before. I want to say a special thanks to this Instagram channel. This guy is from Argentina and he's gonna give us a shout out so we can get more followers and viewers from that side of the world. And this guy is from the US. He is also gonna give us a few shout outs so we can get more followers in the US also. I am from Aruba. My friend Jerry is from Aruba and he helped me today. We clean up the garage and I'm gonna clean up in the truck and we had a good day. So stay tuned because I'm gonna rebuild the whole dashboard. The whole dashboard is crap. It's really bad. So I gathered a few parts in the earlier videos as you saw and I'm gonna make a nice dashboard. Maybe I'll paint it, maybe I don't paint it. You never know. You gotta stick around, subscribe so you find out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please be safe and take care. These are the Instagram videos I shot earlier today. Peace, take care.